All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to install Creative Cloud. Originally, I was going to download, install, and show you how to do that, but Adobe decided to download it for us. So I'm going to go to the download section here in Firefox, open that up. I'm going to double click on Creative Cloud Setup. And it's going to pop up a window saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Close that out. I'll hit continue. You're all set. You successfully signed in. Feel free to close this browser tab. Okay, so I'm going to close that and then open up this right here. So it's going to install this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and I'll see you when we get to 100%. All right, welcome back. So the installation is complete. And now we're going to go inside of the application. It's going to say, welcome to Creative Cloud. We can take a tour, but in this case, we're going to skip. I'm going to maximize this window. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about the different sections of Creative Cloud Desktop. So I'll see you there.